Hello. This is the next unit in the SAP S/4HANA data flow series that I'm putting together. This is another example of an SAP process that I've abstracted onto the reference template to help explain how the data flows with the scenario. The scenario is the sales order processing with invoice list and collective billing, and the code there is BKZ. So the first step in the process is for the delivery document to be created. The delivery document is the entry point for the shipping functionality. So all of the shipping and associated logistics activities around shipping will occur in response to a delivery document. And the first step in this process is to create that delivery document. And the second step is to issue to that delivery document, which has a reference to the sales order, thus keeping the status of the sales order visible to all parties who enter from the sales order, or all parties who enter from one of the other logistical entry points. The next step that happens is that the material document happens, and this is in parallel with the accounting document, and the posting happens into the material ledger. The accounting document posts into the appropriate subledger, financial accounting, and ultimately into the database, being the finance transaction log or the universal journal, also referred to as table AC.doc.A. In parallel to that, the controlling postings and activities are recorded, and they too are posted into the universal journal, and along with that, the profitability analysis augmentations take place and are equally posted into the universal journal. Then, at a slightly different periodicity, and I've used a different color to illustrate those tasks now, which happen typically at the end of a billing period, then a billing run occurs at step number 11. This is a collective run and takes advantage, therefore, of all of the accumulated activities that have taken place in a particular period. So we have, on the one hand, the fact that an issue of stock to an order has occurred to fulfill our obligations, and that would have then been shipped to the customer. The second step then is to now ask them for payment in respect of that, and that's in accordance with the billing run rules that have been agreed to between us. Step number 12, therefore, is the posting of the billing document entries into financial accounting, and you can see that happens under accounts receivable, into the universal journal. Controlling activities occur at that point, equally posted into the database, and then at step number 17 we send the invoice, the physical printed invoice, which then goes out to the customer. Subsequent to all of this would be the payment process, and that would happen under a different process step. And then the final piece is that there is reporting available across the individual front office activities that are happening ad hoc as they occur, and then the period end activities that happen in the financial period close tasks. And that's it for this unit.